Now, next up is the BFSI editor at Money Control, bringing 14 years of combined experience in journalism and corporate roles. She is precise with her reporting and sharp analysis on banking, finance, merger and acquisition, one of the best market experts for advice, recommendations, ideas, news on stock and investments. Please put your hands together for Hamsini Kartik.
From chartered accountant to influential editor, Hamsini Kartik brings depth and integrity to BFSI journalism. Her fearless reporting on banking and regulatory affairs drives awareness and inclusion. Hamsini's storytelling lights the path for a more informed and empowered India.
Thank you. Frankly, I didn't come in here thinking that I was going to get anything. I thought, TK, for the whole of today, I've run around from morning 9. Let me take a little bit of break and sit down somewhere and be a little peaceful. So thank you. And as somebody who never studied or never thought that I would be in the industry of writing, to get something like this, I think I've done something right. So thank you so much for that as well. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, we have a question for you.
Oh, sure.
So most of the CAs buy qualification because they think of joining big four firms like KPMG, Deloitte, EY, but you chose journalism. What was your motivation behind it?
I started investing in stocks when I was 20. My uncle gave me like 10 grand and he said, buy whatever you want to. When I finished CA, I had offers from Big Fours and a few sell-side brokerages. But since I had already seen some of the sell-side reports, I told myself that I don't want to be doing this. You know, I want to be writing honest stuff. My first job was with a Hindu business line where we would recommend stocks to our readers. And our analysis, I would think, not about mine, but the entire team there, and still was a lot more honest, did not have any vested interest in it, and we had our time to research and write what we thought really our view on the stock was. I was a research analyst for the first 8-9 years of my career, and then I really enjoyed what I started doing. I turned into a full-time reporter, and now I'm heading the banking team at Money Control. So that's my journey. I would really urge that, I mean, of course, journalism doesn't pay as well as normal corporate jobs, but if we can afford it, I think a lot of CAs should come and do this kind of profession, because increasingly with a lot of private equity funded stuff, etc., we're seeing pollution in financials. We need CAs in this industry increasingly than what was 10-20 years back.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and that's the message for all the CAs out there. Thank you so much, sir.